Hello, everybody. I just want to share something. I'm a Jupyter Lab fan, but I recently started to use VSCode just to see how this works. And I just want to show you something how I actually use it. So I'm here creating a new project. Let's call it YouTube or something. And now in this, I'm creating a new notebook. So I'm calling it test. And then actually what you have in Jupyter Lab, what I usually do, I create a virtual environment, and then from within that virtual environment, I start Jupyter Lab. And actually in VS Code, it's a little more self-contained. So you can here click on select kernel and click here on Python environments. And then you can say create new Python environment. And I'm a huge fan of the .venv or the venv module of Python. And then I select the interpreter. Let's go for the latest I've installed. And now you see here .venv file is created. And what I usually do in my notebooks, I always start with the installation. So I'm not having a requirements text file. I just say pip install, I don't know what, NumPy, for example. And I'm just waiting here until this environment is ready to use, since I have created the environment from a Jupyter Notebook within VS Code. It already installed all the dependencies for Jupyter as well. And now I can actually, here you see I'm in this environment. And if we now open this venv, and we should see somewhere that NumPy gets installed. I think that's here. Okay, that's all I wanted to share. I'm continuing testing VS Code and double check whether I go back to Jupyter Lab or not. I like Jupyter Lab a lot because of its open nature. Since there's no huge corporate involved, it's more a community project. But yeah, it's always nice to see what others do. Take care. Bye.